I'm Roxanne Pyle. I'm a histology manager. I have been a histologist for 25 lovely years at the exact same place. I have known PSI for basically 25 years. Their service is top notch. Every time that I have had to call them, Miss Laura, Sean, or anybody has always picked up the phone, everybody is so polite, so sweet. I've never heard them say, well, you know, did you guys, or it's, we'll be there, let's see if we can fix it on the phone. If not, we'll be there. I've called them at 7 o'clock in the morning. I've had one answer the phone and say, hey, I'm on vacation, can you call Sean? So no matter what, you can call them and they will answer the phone. Russ is a wealth of knowledge. He is one of the sweetest men you will ever find. He is yes ma'am, no sir. He will do whatever he can for you. There is nothing that I have ever asked them to do that they have treated me with disrespect. It has always been so respectful, and their turnaround time is fantastic. PSI maintains everything. They come do our yearlies. If a machine breaks down, I call them. They're here within 24 hours. They are, like I said, I can't complain about nothing at all. When they come, they're happy. They ask you how your day is. They're pleasurable. They're it's like a family. It honestly is like a family. There was this one experience. I was cutting on an old microtome, and it was not making a good ribbon. It was thick and thin. It was a really bad ribbon. I called them. PSI sends one of their lovely gentlemen down. He comes in. He fixes it. Melissa's here. They're like, it works good. I cut. They cut. Perfect section. 2 days later, I'm calling them back again, saying, hey, it's still cutting. I mean, it worked great for a day, then it started cutting really bad again. They didn't say, well, did you do this? Did you do that? They were like, okay, I am on my way. And they came down and they figured out what the problem was, and it was actually just a spring. So they fixed it. Also, PSI, when our embedding center had broke, they automatically brought another embedding center down for us to loan, and they took ours back and they fixed it, cleaned it. By the time it came back, within a week, it was like brand new. It was cleaner than it ever was before. And that thing is like 25 years old. When PSI comes in, they call us, and when it's time, they call us and they say, hey, it's time for PM, and they always call. They never forget that it's time. You may forget, but they never do. So they'll give you a call and they'll say, hey, it's time for your PM. When can I go ahead and come on down and schedule that PM? Whatever you need, they will do. Whatever's convenient for you, they will do. They never tell you, no, I can only do this. They're like, not a problem, we'll work around it. We got you, don't worry about it. Then when they do come in, they are polite, they are clean, they are efficient. They're some of the most respectable people I have ever met in my entire life. Sometimes when you're on this microtome and you think you've cleaned it, no, you haven't cleaned it until PSI comes in and does a PM. That's clean. When they do our stainer, underneath where the water comes up, and you know how it gets all icky because it comes into your water tank, it's all icky. Not when PSI is done with it. They clean all the eosine, everything else. They wipe down the cover slipper. They wipe inside to make sure there's no dust, particles, or anything. It is, let me tell you something, I want them to come to my house to clean.